pose. I was saying that out loud.
Kathleen, pose.
It's her birthday, you know. And you just fall to your like.
Kathleen, pose.
Are you making a video and you're telling me to pose? You guys are so funny. You're so funny.
No. Okay. Good night.
Wait, are you holding a camera?
Kathleen, do you feel any different now that you're 16?
Brianna, you can see.
Kathleen.
I can't see.
Answer the question.
Kathleen, answer the question.
We're doing an interview.
Yeah.
You do?
How do
I
you
feel
feel?
like I was in a cocoon and now I've morphed into a butterfly.
Wow. That's fun.
That's deep.
Like, how does she
Wait.
come up with these things in her head?
Violet, look into
No,
the
she's
camera.
definitely thought about it.
I can see that. No, I can
I thought about it when I woke up
see
this
your
morning.
glasses.
I woke up, bam. It was a new day.
Butterfly.
I turned over a new leaf.
Literally.
What? Wait, you would walk inside?
I got up, I went outside, I turned over early. And then I came back inside.
Why?
And I broke out of a...
You know that
I paper
mache
a cocoon and then I broke out.
All right, joke's over.
It